the channel. I've got a nice big bag here full of goodies, I'm sure. There's just 3 items. Okay, that's a nice size bag. That might work. And this was... what is this? This is MacBook Pro accessory. Remember the 2 bags? I forget what this is that I ordered. Oh, a USB hub. Yeah. Yeah. It's the USB hub I ordered. Yeah. This is for my hard drives and my controller and stuff like that. Has power delivery on the end and 4 USB ports. I hope this will be enough. Yeah, it'll just fit what I got. Oh, but then I got that other hard drive too. Crap, I needed one with 5. Well, it was cheap. And it was part of the choice stuff. I might still be able to use this though. Yeah, these bags will come in handy. This one's more the size I need. I just unboxed another bunch of stuff. Will this be big enough for my cables? Yes, I think this will be. For all my USB cables and stuff like that. I have it in like a shoe bag right now, and then I got this duffel bag for... I forget what I needed it for, but there's something I need a duffel bag for. Off the top of my head, I can't remember. But there is something that I needed that for. I think that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and have a good one.